the most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts.
Marshmallow, you're so freaking adorable in there. Do you want to come out? No, okay, your tail curled.
Although I'm not sure if she's asleep because she doesn't have any eyelids.
Well, I guess he owns those boots now.
This little fucker is a rogue U.S. military asset and a danger to public safety.
I have to put you back. Bull. Yeah. Ding.
Hey, what's tripping me out is this nigga really went to the end of the bed. Like he really watching TV. Check him out. He's like, what's up? What we pick?